just came back from the garden and I realized that I have nothing for dinner. But I have potatoes, I have onions, and I have my homemade plant-based sausage. And these are perfect for a quick, easy, rustic Hungarian-style potato paprikash. So now I am going to cook. Here are the ingredients for the potato paprikash. I have 7 medium russet potatoes, 1 medium onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 medium tomato. This tomato and the pepper are frozen from last year's harvest. Fresh tomatoes from the store work just as well as canned ones, so use whatever you have. I also have my homemade plant-based spicy Hungarian-style sausage, but store-bought will work fine. Finally, some soya sauce, olive oil, smoked paprika, Hungarian sweet paprika, and salt and pepper to taste. The ingredients are prepped for cooking. I dice the tomato, halve the pepper, roughly dice the onion, press the garlic through the garlic press, slice the sausage, and cut the potatoes into wedges. In a pot, I add approximately 5 tablespoons olive oil and heat it up. And then I add the sliced sausage. Stir and brown until golden. Now the sausage is nicely browned, so I take it out. Next I add the chopped onion. The garlic goes in later. And stir. I add 2 teaspoons salt now. I taste later and may add more, plus some ground black pepper. Then I reduce the heat to medium-low and saute the onion with the lid on. Look at this great idea, inserting a cork under the lid handle, a tip I learned from my Aunt Rosie in Hungary. The onion is almost done. I am adding a little water to keep it from burning. Stir it, and then I put the lid back on and saute it a little longer. Now the onion is done, soft and golden. Now I add the chopped tomato and garlic. Next, I add the potatoes. I mix well, then season with more black pepper, adding 3 teaspoons smoked paprika, and 3 teaspoons Hungarian sweet paprika. I mix with the paprika quickly, making sure it doesn't burn. Burnt paprika turns bitter. Now I put the sausage back into the pot. If your plant-based sausage is soft, add it at the end when the potato paprikash is done, so it won't overcook and fall apart. Now I pour the potato soaking water into the pot. Enough to just cover the potatoes. I add the hot pepper and approximately 2 tablespoons soy sauce. I put the lid on and simmered for approximately half an hour. Let's check. I take out one potato to check if it's cooked. Yes, it's soft. Now I leave the paprikash to simmer a little longer without the lid. About 10 minutes later, the potato paprikash is done. Dinner is ready. Okay, I will taste my paprikash. Tastes good. Very good. I have some freshly baked bread I made this morning, pickles and broccoli sprouts. So bye for now. I am off to eat.